And Shubhanshu Shukla has landed in his hometown of Lucknow. As you can see, the members of the band there, giving him that hero's welcome. That is what he is receiving in his hometown of Lucknow, as Lucknow prepares, is all prepared to accord that grand welcome to Shubhanshu Shukla. He will be in Lucknow today. This is his return from the historic space mission after having met with the Prime Minister here in the national capital at the residence of the Prime Minister. Now, Shubhanshu Shukla all get up to meet with his family members, his extended family and people from his city. This is a homecoming for the space hero, and of course a hero's welcome there. Well, we do know there is going to be a victory parade all the way from the airport to his in fact, his locality is where his family stays in Lucknow. A road, in fact, leading to his house is also being named after Shubhanshu Shukla in order to inspire the future generations. We have Aishwarya, my colleague, joining us from right outside the airport in Lucknow. We also have Pallav Bagla joining us here as well. Aishwarya, over to you first. Take us through the arrangements in place. And from what we hear is Shubhanshu will be taken to a government guest house. He's not going to be staying at his residence, but he will be visiting his residence and his family members.
Well, it's electric atmosphere at the Lucknow International Airport, where Shubhanshu Shukla would be anytime stepping out from this VIP gate of the airport. And Shubhanshu Shukla is all set to be welcomed by thousands and thousands of people across the streets of Lucknow, as Shubhanshu Shukla will be felicitated later this evening by Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath as well. But before that, a march has been planned by the Uttar Pradesh administration as he hails from Lucknow. And it is a proud movement for everyone who is laying in Lucknow and who wants to have just one glimpse of Shubhanshu. And therefore the reason perhaps from these small kids that you just see behind me, they are dressed up as the NASA astronauts or the ISRO astronauts, and someone who is wearing the dress of a sun, moon and aliens over there. So, that's the kind of energy that we can see. Student band is over here. That's the students of the CMS school where Shubhanshu Shukla used to study. He will also go to CMS as well, where he will be felicitated by the teachers, and a small interaction there has been planned as well. There is a road show which has been planned. Thousands of people will gather. And they will be showering off the petals, the flowers to Shubhanshu Shukla, as everyone has been keenly waiting for him to arrive next and step out. He has arrived in Lucknow, and he anytime soon would be stepping out. Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Brajesh Pathak, along with the Lucknow Mayor and senior officials from Uttar Pradesh administration, has arrived over here with supporters and fans of Shubhanshu. Now, he is indeed, as Pallav sir rightly mentioned, just not the group captain of the Indian Air Force. He is a Gaganyatri. He is a celebrity in himself, and a lot of young kids want to see his glimpse, as he had given earlier the messages that these are the kids who will take India's space mission forward, and how India is looking at achieving new heights, new milestones in the space sector. So certainly Shubhanshu Shukla, who is of course a poster boy of Indian space missions, now coming for the very first time to his hometown, and it's a grand homecoming that has been planned. A road that leads to his residence is now being named after Shubhanshu Shukla as Shubhanshu Shukla Marg. So that's another proud movement for the people of Lucknow. I just spoke to the mayor of Lucknow, and she said that हम इतना कभी नहीं मुस्कुराए हैं जितना हम आज मुस्कुरा रहे हैं, क्योंकि जो लखनऊ का सपूत है, जो लखनऊ का लाल है, वो पहली बार अंतरिक्ष की यात्रा करके यहाँ पर पहुँच रहा है. So that's the kind of energy and mood, like a kind of positivity that we see around because of huge success that India got in its space missions, and that will certainly set a milestone. Huge security cover as well for Shubhanshu Shukla at the Lucknow International Airport, as he anytime can now step out from this VIP gate and will proceed to the guest house. There are different intersections where big hoardings, posters have already been placed to welcome Shuks. But now there you can see some movement happening over here as far as the VIP gate is concerned. A lot of officials now walking towards gate number 2, and these are live visuals on NDTV. Shubhanshu Shukla for the very first time returning to Lucknow, his hometown. It's a grand homecoming for Shubhanshu Shukla, Gagan Yatri, Group Captain of Indian Air Force, who have made India proud. Shubhanshu Shukla now arriving over here, being welcomed by students over here. There you can see live visuals on NDTV. Shubhanshu Shukla, Group Captain, waving to the crowd over here who have come to see one glimpse of Shubhanshu Shukla, and along with him is Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Brajesh Pathak. He is shaking hands with a lot of supporters over here and officials who have come to welcome Shuks. And now he would be, going across from this very passage. Certainly, it's a lot of things that have been lined up for the entire day in Lucknow, his home town over here, and he will be felicitated. There's a road show that he will be conducting, and certainly an inspiration for a lot of young kids who have come to see him as well. Shubhanshu Shukla, who had made India proud, was aboard the International Space Station, and certainly now being welcomed by officials, Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Brajesh Pathak, alongside with Shubhanshu Shukla over here. And amid the heavy security, now Shubhanshu Shukla on your screens, is... You can see Shubhanshu Shukla, the Gagan Yatri, Indian astronaut, was aboard the ISS, now heading to go on open jeep. That's a open jeep that has been prepared for him. Showers being battled and slogans being chanted of Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Shubhanshu Shukla, Aapka Swagat Hai. And there now he is walking towards that very passage where the students from the CMS where he studied have come over here to welcome him, and he's walking past this passage at the Lucknow airport over here. There you can see he is waving, he is quite happy, felicitated for last 2-3 days. He has met Prime Minister, he has met Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. And the kind of messaging that Shubhanshu Shukla has given, that this mission that India has succeeded, that will certainly, be a milestone to achieve new and greater heights in the space sector. And therefore the reason, after Shubhanshu Shukla arrived back to India, we saw how, he was felicitated, he was welcomed, and there was, remember, in the parliament, entire special discussion was held for discussing on India's space missions and the success of the return of Indian astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla aboard the ISS. This is the kind of pictures that we can see live on NDTV with Shubhanshu Shukla now arriving to the Lucknow International Airport, and he's being welcomed. He will be, sitting in this open jeep where he would be waving. And certainly he would be directly going to the VIP guest house from here on. He will be meeting his family members who are awaiting. We have heard from his mother this morning how keen she is to meet his son as well here in Lucknow. Of course, he would not be able to go to his residence because of the security concerns, but he would be going to his school, CMS school, and from there he would be going to Lok Bhavan, where a felicitation is being planned by Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, and the entire day is something that will go on as Shubhanshu Shukla would be in Lucknow for the very first time after returning from the International Space Station. There you can see Shubhanshu Shukla sitting in the front of the car, and certainly he will be leaving directly. Showers being battled, Tiranga in the hands of different people. They just want to see one glimpse to have arrived over here at the Lucknow International Airport to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla. A proud movement for everyone who are the residents of Lucknow. Come in large numbers, as I can see. Thousands of them gathered, and the entire stretch is beautifully decorated. When we walked past that particular stretch, we saw big hoardings of Shubhanshu Shukla being
Right,
placed over
Aishwarya.
there. There are different intersections where cultural programs are being
Right,
planned as
Aishwarya,
well.
if you can hear me,
And
there
now
we can
Shubhanshu
see
Shukla waiting to
Shubhanshu Shukla get on top of that jeep before getting into the car that's going to be taking him to that government guest house. He's not going to his residence, but the big question is, will he get to go to his residence, considering that there are certain security protocols that are being followed at this particular time, as we can see the car being driven away. Aishwarya, we want to know who all from his family was there at the airport, and who all were there to receive him for his homecoming.
The family is awaiting Shubhanshu at the VIP guest house, where he will directly be proceeding towards, and he will be meeting his family members over there. But certainly it is a Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Brajesh Pathak, along with Mayor of Lucknow and other senior officials from Uttar Pradesh administration who came to the Lucknow airport to welcome him. There was a plan of Shubhanshu to be on the open jeep, but because of the weather conditions, the rain in Lucknow, he
में जब वो रिसर्च करके लौट रहे थे तो उस क्षण का इंतजार लखनऊ वासी बड़े लंबे समय से कर रहे थे। आज वो क्षण आया। हम सब ने आदरणीय शुभांशु शुक्ला जी का हृदय की गहराइयों से स्वागत किया है। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के मार्गदर्शन में जिस ढंग से दुनिया में अंतरिक्ष विज्ञान की चर्चा भारत की हो रही है, वो अद्भुत क्षण है। और शुभांशु जी ने बताया कि अंतरिक्ष से कैसा भारत लगता है, कैसा लखनऊ लगता है। अद्भुत क्षण हम सबके लिए है। मैं बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ।
बड़ा कार्यक्रम भी है अभी आप सब।
हाँ, अभी हम सब एक बड़ा कार्यक्रम का आयोजन सरकार कर रही है और हम सब वहाँ भाग लेंगे।
Brajesh Pathak there speaking on behalf of the Prime Minister and the BJP. Of course, the Chief Minister of the state has gone on to say that the achievement of Shubhanshu Shukla is a proud symbol of courage, of dedication and commitment to science. In fact, the Chief Minister will be meeting with Shubhanshu Shukla. A special felicitation has been planned by the Chief Minister of the state. In fact, Yogi Adityanath has gone on to say that every Indian, especially the people of Uttar Pradesh, really feel proud of Shubhanshu Shukla, and honoring him is inspiring the future generations in order to dream big and to turn those dreams into reality. That is what Yogi Adityanath has said while he is getting up to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla once he reaches that guest house. We have a lot planned in the course of the day. In fact, this is going to be a 3-day visit of Shubhanshu Shukla. The celebrations that have kick-started with that grand welcome by the CMS students at the airport. Following this, he will participate in that car parade that just started from the airport. He will be proceeding through the Gomti Nagar Vistar campus to the G20 Chowk, and we are obviously delighted, as far as his homecoming is concerned. Pallav Bagla joining me. Pallav, we heard the father speak before, his son touched down in Lucknow. It's been a week, in fact, since he's been here in India. He reached on the 17th of this month. He met with the Prime Minister on the 18th. Take us through what all has Shubhanshu Shukla been doing since he landed here in India, because we thought he'd be running home and that would be the first thing he'd be doing after meeting with the Prime Minister.
Well, he is no longer a personal person. He is now a public figure. He went on government duty to the United States of America to participate in the space mission. He came back. He participated in the National Space Day. He met with the Prime Minister. He met with the President. He also met the Defense Minister. So his work is already beginning for the Gaganyaan program. At the National Space Day, he participated in several different events. He also gave his views on what the human space program should look like. And now the first firm footsteps for the Gaganyaan program have been laid. But what you see is a road show. What a welcome thing. We always see road shows for the cricket team when it comes back with the World Cup, or we see road shows for Bollywood stars. So now we have a Antariksh star, Lucknow ka Lal, who's made India proud, getting a road show in his hometown. A wonderful feeling, because this is what India needs, igniting young minds to join in the science, technology and the mathematics movement. And Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla has been able to do exactly that by his mission. It will go a long way, because now India wants to have a concerted human space program, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already said that we will need an astronaut pool. And right now we have 4 male astronauts. Very soon we'll have women joining the astronaut pool, and not just Indian Air Force people, personnel, but you will have scientists, academicians, and other disciplines also joining the astronaut pool, like we see in America and other countries. So the whole thing is going to expand. There's a whole roadmap till 2040. The government has already allocated about 33,000 crore rupees for this human space program, which is to launch an Indian in 2027 to space from Sriharikota, have the Bharatiya Antariksh Station, the model of which was unveiled at the National Space Day, and then to land an Indian on the moon by 2040. Divya, my plan and your plan is very well laid out till 2040. I may be there, you may be there, who knows, but yes, an Indian will definitely go to the moon by 2040 is the plan, and it's a very robust and a very well laid out plan, and the Indian Space Research Organization is working very hard for meeting the requirements. It's not easy. Human space flight is very difficult.
Absolutely, and facing all those challenges and coming back home to this welcome. Look at that parade. Of course, we did have Shubhanshu, the welcome that we saw here in the national capital. Before that, when he splashed down as far as the US is concerned, and the kind of welcome we're seeing, particularly when he meets with his family members. We're going to keep tracking that story with Pallav Bagla and Aishwarya, who's right outside the airport, and then following him, tracking him down till that guest house where he's going to be staying. And of course, honoring Shruks is something that's going to be inspiring for future generations, and that is exactly what's going to happen. They're going to be paying that tribute by naming a road after him that leads to his house. That and a whole lot more on the other side.